Sanibonani Phezang Vosele, welcome to Trudy Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. One thing about people on social media, they rather do their own investigation than to believe what Mojo Life is giving them. So people are saying, oh, what into yagathando no siyacela nethemba because there's no such as that. These people are acting uthando and siyacela. They do have a happy marriage, guys. So people saw this picture, yathemba inkosi and siyacela and Thando. People have been saying, oh, it's okay. Kanti badlala ngathi lana. We are busy feeling sorry for Thando, and this is what is happening behind us. Mojo Love and Thando and Siyacela, they are playing us. So this lady went on to say, this is a very happy marriage. Cha baya actor bayenza imali no Mojo Love. Don't worry. People are saying, what you must not worry ngoThando. uThando went on to say, nkosi yami waze faka into wrong ekhanda lakho. Kweyesinye isikhathi ungaboliphikisa iqiniso but ngeke ngokuphikisa. So according to Thando, guys, she's saying ukuthi aba-act. So people are saying ukuthi hayi man, uThembi Nkosi, we know uThembi Nkosi, he's an actor, so obviously he will do things just to make us happy. Ayikho lento yakaThando noSiyacela nobaba kaThando. You guys are just acting for the viewers. You guys are there for the money. There's no such. Why are you not living? You have been saying ukuthi uzomiyeka kuSiyacela, but you have been there busy acting because you know that you are getting money. So we're not gonna cry for you Thando anymore, guys. We can see what you guys are playing us. Some are saying what, hi man, this picture is an old picture. Maybe this picture was taken when uThembi Nkosi was introduced to Thando and Siyacela, guys. We still remember that season. I feel like it was season 3 or season 4. I don't remember. But people are saying what I mean by actor, guys. But some of the things when you're watching isn't lengane, guys. You can tell what I mean. That is too much. But looking at Siyacela's direct section, I don't think they are acting. Yes, they do add a little bit so that it can be funny for us and it can stress us. But guys, uSiyacela can never act. One thing about Siyacela, guys, he really hates uThembi Nkosi and Thando's mother. But I blame Thando, guys. The people have been saying, oh, what's the reason why uSiyacela is disrespecting ubaba kaThando and umama kaThando is because of Thando. Thando, when he's around Siyacela, uhleba umama ke nobaba ke, saying, oh, this is what my mom is doing, this is what my dad is doing. When he's around his mom and his dad is talking about Siyacela, guys, player a victim uThando. Reason why all of these people are not getting along. But anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think uThando and Siyacela, guys, they are acting from season 1 until to season 7? You know that uSiyacela and Thando, they really don't have a real job. They depend on Isengani Lengani production to pay them. So I don't know what it is, guys. But anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think? Do you think these two, they are acting, guys? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself.